What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. I've updated my case arsenal. I told y'all I got freaking OCD. I can't help it. I'm getting a new case damn near every month, every 2 months. I don't know, but I have about 14 cases right now, 13 or 14. Y'all know I'm gonna do a giveaway anyway, so if you want to be entered in that giveaway, just hit that subscribe button, send me a DM on Instagram with a screenshot, let me know you subscribe, and you're automatically entered. Just like last time, I'll just pick a random, and when I say random, I mean random, and you'll have all these cases because I plan on updating to iPhone 14 when it comes out, or I would say or the Galaxy Z Fold 4, one of those. So I won't need all these cases. I got a problem. I got a hoarding problem. I need to get therapy for it. I know, trust me when I tell you, but it benefits you guys because you get these cases. These videos are going to be short and sweet. If you're new to the channel, like I said, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. This first case we have on the list is the Urban Armor Gear translucent case. This is a slim fit case, so it will feel nice on your phone and in your hands, and it's that gray ash color. I just got the gray ash because it matches well with my gray phone, space gray, whatever color Apple decided to name this damn color this year. Whatever, they go from freaking gray to charcoal to ash gray. I don't know. It's great. This is great. It complements it well. A little two-tone because you got a little clear right here, but then you got the gray. As you can see, it's like a little tint in here. They put like a little tint wrap or something in here just to make it, I guess, to go with the gray, but they can do this with any color. Anyways, I digress. You can get this for $29.95 on Amazon.com. The link will be in the description below. You got your cutout for your camera. You got your cutout for your volume switch, your volume up and down rocker right here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. You have your cutout for your charging port, your speakers. You got a lanyard cutout on each side in case you want to rock it either way. I like this little design. It's kind of like cut out right here. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but it's, you know, a couple impressions right here, so it's not just flush across. Anyways, you have your power button cut out, and that's about it. You have these ridges on the back, a little bit of extra grip or extra texture for you to, you know, feel nice in your phone. So let me slap this bad boy on. Boom, boom, boom. Fits on snug. It's not too bulky, so it won't feel like you're carrying a damn brick in your pocket. I mean, the iPhone Pro Max is already a unit, so you putting on a big ass case is not gonna help the weight of it anyway. But this is a good compromise. You know, it's pretty slim, but it also feels protected. You have decent amount of raised edges, but not too much. But you know, obviously, like I said, it's a slim fit phone, so it's not gonna be too massive, but it also feels protected. But you drop this face down on the sides, it's gonna hold up. This is not coming out anytime soon. Sometimes you get those cases where you put it on, but sometimes the edges pop off. That's not one of these cases. It looks nice, it feels good. You see the details. They got lines, ridges going all throughout the phone. So when you grip it, you know it's in your hands. And I like this right here. You can kind of see the Apple logo through the back. Let me know what you guys think in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.